with this kind of a blouse for it, intricately done. The blouse is the highlight of the sari basically. This is a classic red with full stripes and an intricately done border. And this comes with a beautiful pallu like this. So I just wanted to show you these saris because these are very apt for Christmas and New Year also, especially for Christmas, because these colors are mostly white, black, red, especially red. Every sari will have a tint of red in it. This is another integral blue with circles all over the sari in different colors. There are a lot of prints. We have this usual traditional Ajrak saris as well. But I'm not showing you those because you would have seen a lot of them earlier and in other studios and all that. But here, I'm just showing you the very different, very consciously, uniquely curated ones, which are very, very different in concept. All these are very different concept ones. So the ones which are regular kind of prints also we have if you're really looking for it. The traditional kind of Ajrak saris, these ones have different concept, and I'm just showing you those kind of saris alone. And this one again is a very intricately done and comes with this kind of a blouse, a geometrical pattern. Another classy sari with stripes in different colors alternate and with a temple border on the borders. So this again is a very contemporary one with a traditional printed pallu. The color concept is very unique in this. And the blouse is again geometrical patterns but very intricate and smaller motifs. It's a simple black sari with stripes all over with hand block. But why I chose to show you the sari is because the pallu. You see the pallu, it's very attractive. So it's because this pallu, the sari is having all that value. A geometrical pattern blouse like this. A very traditional motif on the red. The traditional block this is, so it has a very intricately done pallu. The sari itself has a lot of motifs all over the sari, so it gives a more of traditional look rather than a formal look. And this comes with an intricately printed blouse. Just complements the sari. A very beautiful and the traditional Ajrak design. For anyone who's looking for a very classy formal look, this is a treat because very minimal with dots all over the sari and the stripes on the edges in 3 different colors. Very, very classy this one is. No much of drama, but a simple and an elegant drape for, especially for formal looks. When you stitch the blouse with high neck or collar patterns and all that, super good to go for office events. Very light, not too much of jarring and all that because the print on it is kept very minimal. To buy all these rustic earthy beauties, you can contact us on WhatsApp or you can place your orders on our website. Also, you can directly drop into our store which is located in Anna Nagar, Chennai. Thank you so much for watching.